very healthy good morning to all the viewers of Commandant Academy. So, dear cadets, in this video, we are going to talk about SSB GTO task. It always been in the mind of candidates who are preparing for SSB what is the objective of GTO task and how could we perform our best in that task. So, dear cadets, let me define from the ground level what is GTO task. GTO task stands for Group Task Officer. It is one of the important three different tasks, assessment tasks at your SSB. As we know that task 1 personal interview, task 2 psychology task, and task 3 GTO task. So that's why I said out of three different tasks, GTO is one of the important tasks in SSB which plays a crucial role in the selection of the candidates. It checks the candidates in three different parameters. These are your thought process, next your speaking and communication skills, next your action taking capacity or the doer inside you, the action that you take. So dear cadets, in a layman's, we can mainly separate GTO tasks in two different parts, GTO indoor task and GTO outdoor task. So let me explain what is GTO indoor task and what are the tasks which comes in GTO indoor task. So GTO indoor task includes GPE, which is known as group planning exercise. It is also known as military planning exercise. Next is group discussions. In this test, two different discussion captions are provided to you by the GTO. In the first discussion part, there is an option. Out of the two, the group has to decide one. Next, in the next caption of the GD, so group has to speak on that particular caption only. The next task is lecturate, in which 4 captions are provided to each of the candidates, and the candidates is expected to speak in the particular provided time. So here, as we know that we are about to discuss about GTO outdoor task, so let's come on that part. GTO outdoor task further separated in two different parts. Number 1, GTO individual obstacle test, which includes 10 different obstacles which are to be completed in 3 minutes. So dear cadets, these obstacles are very simply designed in such a way to check the endurance of the candidates. So never fear of those obstacles. Always remember it is to be done only. So try to have proper strategy. So if you feel that some tasks are good for you, then please start with that only and never take extra challenge. Sometimes it happens you take some extra challenge and in the very initial part you got struck down and the confidence of yours scattered. So never do this. So it is better to start with the very simple one and then go for the higher or tougher task. Now let's come to GTO outdoor group obstacle test. GTO outdoor group obstacle test, which includes snake race, number 2 HGT, PGT, FGT and command tasks. Now let me introduce what are these tasks. So gentlemen, always remember, when you are projecting yourself as a candidate of SSB, then always remember three different key points to qualify this examination. Number 1, your self component. You'll have to reflect your self component in that. Number 2, the component which are required for the group. Number next, the assigned task. So further I'm going to explain it. What do you mean by self that they had? And the next part is group component. So in group component, communication skill. So people are very much confused with spoken skill and communication skill. So gentlemen, do not speak only. Try to communicate with your friends. Whatsoever the idea comes in your mind, just share with your friends at the time. Remember, never look at the GTO. It is very often, it is obvious that students want to give such an impression that actually they are doing the task, they are putting their views ahead, and so that GTO must look at his views. So do not look at him. Actually, it must be very natural. It is known as impressionate psychology. On that impression, you are putting your ideas ahead. Naturally, you are not like that. So communication skill means you are sharing your ideas with your friends without any hesitation. At the time, never look at the GTO. Next is responsibility. It is one of the important factors associated with the group task. Next one is adjustability. Sometimes it happens that you don't have your plank and bully or ropes, any helping materials for doing the task. So in such cases, so you are required to accept the challenge outside the ground and try to share your views with your friends only. Never feel that you are ignored. Sometimes it happens that if you do not carry plank or bully, so you feel that now my turn is over. I don't have any chance to win the competition. So it is very wrong. So even from outside, you share your views and you just motivate your friends that you are doing very good. On that part also, your selection can be registered. So these are the components. So next part is, that is task. So let me repeat it again. Three different components which are required for GTO auto task, even complete GTO task. Number one is your component, number two is group component, and next one is the task assigned to you. You'll have to always keep this thing in your mind while doing each and every task of GTO, that your component, reasoning ability, self-confidence must be with you at the time. Next, while doing group tasks, your communication skill, responsibility, adjustability must be in that time. Next, task, whatsoever the task assigned to you by the GTO, so at the time you'll have to associate these tasks. If the task is PGT, which means progressive group task, so there are certain rules associated with that. Number one, color rule, red color, white color, blue color, or yellow color. Next, load. So whatsoever the load you carry with you, there are certain rules with that. Next, there is some specific time for each task. Next, if you commit some mistake or fault, then what you are liable, what kind of liabilities or responsibilities you have at the time. So these are the associated factor while doing the task. Always remember, so your component should be with you, group component should be with you, and the associated task for which purpose you are assembled with the group, it must be displayed. Many of the candidates actually they focus on their own component, reasoning ability, that they are doing the task, self-confidence, okay, confidence, but actually what is the task, even they forget it, and even they never share with the friends also. So in that type of situation, even out of three components, if you are lagging behind any one of them, so you are liable for the rejection. So dear candidates, always remember, GTO task includes three different factors which are to be displayed. Number one, your component. Number two, group related component. Next, task, the assigned task. So if you focus on these three parts, I am damn sure that you are going to come out with flying colors. And always remember, your execution, the task execution, how you are executing the task, it must be very natural. So do not show that you are under some pressure or you are in some compulsion that somebody has said so that you are doing the task. No, it is not like this. You just execute the task by your own thought, and try to be very friendly with your friends so that they can cooperate you and you can get their also cooperation while completing the task.